see basic data types in the C++ programming. Now we'll see this example in the C++ program, how it is going to take and how can we say that's like 4 bytes, 1 byte. So we have some inbuilt functionality to check it. Okay, so this is a sample console application. So default template in which we are going to put some syntaxes to check the number of bytes required by each of the basic data type. So we'll say out on console screen basic data types, and we'll make it some beautiful console output. So we'll just give a line to this. Now we'll see one by one for each data type. We'll mention each data type into the console screen to check. So we have a size of operator to check this size of int. I'll say size of int, and it is going to take. So this is the operator. Operator, you can say, is a keyword operator. Keyword becomes operator because inside this round bracket we have to give the data type. So we'll return. It will return the whatever in the round bracket kind of data type we have mentioned. So it will return the number of bytes storage, the number of bytes required to store this data type. Now if we copy the same line for another data type, total 5 data types what we have. This is for boolean, this is for character, and this is for float, and this is for double. This is for integer, this is for boolean, this is for character, this is for float, and this is for double. Okay, we want to check. So this is just tab to show on the the formatting, the proper formatting for this output what we want to show on the console screen. This will put extra tab after this static text. So if I run this build and run into the single shot by using Control F5. So now if you see this one, so the output of, just make it smaller. Okay, so to view into the single screen. So okay, so see, size of int is a 4 bytes, and the size of a boolean is a 1, and the size of character is a 1, size of a float is a 4 bytes, and size for the double is a 8 bytes.